Yeah, how are you today?
I'm
I'm
fine.
fine.
Okay, I'm well also.
Very well, Miss.
Yeah. Uh, Class, like usual, you can mute your phone. If I ask you, then please unmute, okay?
Okay.
So when you want to talk, please unmute, but now you have to mute. Ya, Bill. Bill, ada yang masih dinyalakan? Nah, mute dulu ya. Silahkan di-mute dulu. Ini udah ada berapa orang di sini? How many students here? 20. Oke. Davita, please mute. Okay. Class, we will review our last exercises. Yeah. It is about describing people. I'm sure that you already know it since you were in high school and also in, I don't know, maybe in your elementary school. Did you learn English? Because nowadays, students in elementary school uh, do not have English as a subject, yeah? Only in middle school, yeah, and high school, yeah, they learn English. But some of the school in elementary, yes, they teach English, but not all the school, as I know. Yeah, like in my surrounding here, in my hometown, there are so many school which doesn't include English as the subject, yeah, at school. Okay, class, now please read by Haris. Haris, I want you to read all of these sentences. It is clear for you to see here the text. Haris, are you there? You can unmute. Haris, can you unmute the speaker? Okay, I will ask Lita. Lita, are you there? Because you already unmute your speaker. Lita. Oke, ini pada kemana? Where are you? How about... Siapa ini? Hello? How about Farhan? Farhan, please.
Ya, Miss. Saya aja, Miss.
Okay.
Bettina Skuenke is a very tall woman. Tom Jacks is quite short. If you aren't tall or short, you are medium height.
Lihat, bacanya yang ini nih. Height.
Yang mana, Miss?
Yang ini, height. Ini teh I mungkin ya harusnya.
Oh.
Height.
Yang atas.
Ini weight. Height. Ini I ya harusnya nih, ini nggak jelas. Height. Medium.
Oke, Miss.
Height.
Medium height.
Ya.
Agatha Sanchez is really slim. I was very thin when I was in hospital. Kelihatan. Slim is more polite than thin.
Polite.
Slim is more polite than thin.
Ya.
The doctor said I'm overweight. Their cat is very fat. Fat.
Yeah, yeah.
It needs to go on a diet.
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 Oke. Bettina Schwenke. Ini tuh bahasa Jerman, jadi nama orang Jerman, jadi emang kita bingung juga ya how to pronounce it. Schwenke, kalau nggak salah. Is a very tall woman. Tall is tinggi ya.
Tinggi.
Nah, jangan is a very high. Woman, jangan high ya, tapi tall bahasanya ya untuk tinggi seseorang. Kadang kita bilang, oh, he's very high. Harusnya tall ya kalau untuk tinggi badan ya. Tom Jakes is quite short, pendek. If you aren't tall or short, you are medium high. Jadi sedang-sedang saja. Agatha Sanchez is really slim. Oke, slim ini diartikan untuk kata yang positif ya, langsing gitu. But kalau thin itu kurus, jadi lebih ke negatif. I was very thin when I was in hospital. Biasanya thin itu lebih diartikan kurus karena sakit gitu lah. Why he is very thin? Biasanya ke negatif, tapi kalau slim itu positif. Jadi langsing, badannya kecil tapi sehat. Slim is more polite ya than thin, karena tadi itu diartikan sebagai lebih positif ya. The doctor said I'm overweight atau I'm fat, ya, sama aja. Their cat is very fat. It needs to go on a diet. Overweight itu lebih sopan ya, polite. Okay, we'll go on to this part, face and head. How about Putri? Can you please read the text, the sentences here?
Dibaca, Miss.
Yeah.
Suri has dark skin and dark eye. She has brown eyes. Polly has blonde or fair hair.
Blonde hair.
Blonde hair and fair skin. She has blue eyes. Ben has a beard and long
beard. Beard.
Ben has a beard and long hair. He was green eyes.
He has.
Luca has a
mustache
and short hair. You can also use has got. For example, Suri has got dark hair and dark skin. My mother is a very beautiful woman, very pretty. My dads are a very good-looking man.
Okay, thank you. Jadi yang tadi pakai has atau has got ya, biasanya pakai has got juga boleh. Ben has a beard. Ben has got a beard, bisa. Oke, next. Common mistakes ini apa maksudnya? People are tall ya. Biasanya people are high. Banyak yang bilang seperti itu. Terus hair itu nggak pakai S meskipun banyak ya. Hair aja. Oke. Sekarang age. Yang ini ya. Yang age. Siapa ini? Siapa ini? Wait. Silmi.
Ya, Miss.
Ya, silahkan dari sini aja nih. Dari sini ke sini baca. Read, please.
My sister is pretty. Usually girl or woman only.
Yeah.
Bob's an ugly man. Ugly the apa ini teh?
The opposite.
The opposite of beautiful or good looking. I'm not ugly or beautiful. I'm just average looking.
Average looking.
Average looking. Nggak kelihatan bentar, Miss.
Ya.
My grandmother is ini 9 atau 4, Miss?
9.
97. She is very old. My sister is
14.
14. She is young but would like to be older. Older. My father is 56.
50.
56. 56.
Ya.
He is middle age, but would like to be younger. This hospital is for elderly people, more polite than old.
Ya, more polite than old. Ya, jadi elderly itu lebih sopan daripada old. Kita kan bilangnya old people ya. Jangan
Miss.
old people itu kesannya gimana gitu kan, kurang sopan. Nah, yang baiknya itu elderly people. Berarti orang yang sudah tua tapi bahasanya lebih enak ya, elderly. Middle age berarti pertengahan umurnya, seperti Miss I think not really sih, yang 50-an lah ya. Oke, sekarang kita ke expression here. Expression, Aldini silahkan baca. Please read.
Okay. Expression A. How tall is Bettina? Tom. She's 185 meters tall. He is She is 185 meters tall. He is 148 meters tall. A. How heavy are you? How much do you weigh? B. I weigh 62 kilos or 74 kilos. A. How old is she? B. He is 84. A. What does Gemma, your sister, look like? B. She is tall and dark. She is very pretty.
So, perhatikan pertanyaan-pertanyaannya ya. How tall is she? Misalkan ya. She's 150 meters tall. Misalkan gitu ya. How heavy are you? Biasanya ini yang seringnya how much do you weigh? Ya gitu. I weigh, for me, 60 kilos. Oh, I'm very fat. How old is he? He is 24, for example. What does your sister look like? Tapi ini kalau misalkan yang ditanyainya banyak orang, ya, misalkan 2 orang. Orang tua misalkan. What does your parents, kalau your parents-nya 1 orang, kan parents itu ada mama, ada ayah kan, yang dimaksudnya itu 2 orang. Kalau yang dimaksudnya 2 orang, pakai S. Berarti what do your parents look like ya, diganti. She's tall and dark. She's pretty. Tall and dark maksudnya dark itu kalau di kita sawo matang yang ya lebih nggak hitam banget gitu kan kalau di kita.
Gelap.
Ya, gelap aja. Oke, tips, some of the words on this page are a little negative, so be careful ya. Yang tadi, kayak you are fat, thin, ugly, old, itu kalau bisa dihindari gitu ya. Oke, now kita latihan. Jangan lupa tadi Miss lihat, when you read the sentences here, thin, ya, bukan thin, tapi thin. Be careful, you should bite your tongue and blow the air outside like that. You should train yourself ya to do that so you get used to it. Thin, thin, thin. Udaranya keluar. Thin, bukan thin tapi thin. Harus latihan itu sering ya. Those, these, both. Kalau misalkan TH-nya yang di akhir berarti both. Pastikan udara keluar. Thought, thought. Apalagi? Banyak ya yang pakai TH itu. These, those, thin, both. Latihan aja itu. Ya, sekarang kita langsung mengisi exercises-nya. Complete the sentences. Nah, kalian kan udah mengisi ya. Sekarang silahkan Dede Meti, number 1. Number 2, I mean. Number 2.
Oh yes. Number 2. Very tall people are often good at basketball.
Yeah, very tall people are often good at basketball. Number 1 yang tadi, he's only 1 meter 52. He's quite short. I am only 1 meter 50, so I am quite short actually. Number 3 now. Nia, are you there?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah.
Yes, Miss. Number 3. Models are usually
Yeah. Usually what? Usually? Pardon? I cannot hear you. Tall. Okay. Models are usually tall, boleh. Models are usually slim, boleh ya. Karena kan ya kebanyakan model slim, tall, and also what else? It should be actually tall mah ya, harus emang sih sebenarnya. Berarti are usually boleh slim, boleh tall, boleh pretty, juga boleh. Number 4. Putri Leonita.
Does she have dark skin? No, it's average looking.
Kalau untuk kulit, coba cari yang lebih pas.
Fair skin.
Ya.
Fair skin.
No, it's fair. Boleh aja, fair aja. It's fair skin, boleh. Holisa. Holisa ya dibacanya ya.
Yang nomor 5 ya, Miss? She's only 7. She's very young.
Yeah, she's only 7. She's very young. Thank you. Now number 6. Ilham.
Yes, Miss. If I eat too much, I be fat.
Oke, atau kata lainnya?
Overweight.
Overweight.
Ya, overweight. Nggak usah pakai G ya, overweight. Weight aja biasa, jangan weigh. Weight, overweight.
Okay, Miss.
Robbie, ya, Robbie now.
My grandmother is in this hospital.
Mm-hmm.
It's a hospital for elderly people.
Ya, don't use old. Ini ada ininya ya. For elderly people, benar. Thank you. Now, complete the question using the words in the bracket. Nah, ini udah ada, jadi tinggal menyusun pertanyaannya aja. Dan tadi di atas udah ada contoh-contohnya ya. So, it must be easy for you to make this question. Rita, I want you to answer number 2. Fill in the blank, number 2.
Me, Miss.
Yeah.
Okay. Is Elena has blonde hair? No, she is got dark hair.
Is Elena has, karena udah ada is, jadi jangan pakai has ya.
Oh. Is Elena
Is Elena's
blonde
hair? Nah, langsung aja. Is Elena's hair blonde? Gitu. Is Elena's hair blonde atau fair? Is Elena's hair fair? No, she's got dark hair. Gitu ya. Is Elena's pakai apostrof gitu. Is Elena's hair
Oh iya, Miss.
blonde? Sekarang Siti Salamah. Number 3.
Is Mike's hair long?
Yeah, is Mike's hair long? Yes, it is quite long. Number 4, Anissa. Barusan teh siapa?
Siti Salamah, Miss, barusan.
Sekarang Anissa.
Yang nomor 4.
4, yeah. 4.
Are your parents younger?
Are your parents elderly? Lebih ini ya. Masa younger? Younger dari siapa? Younger itu kan lebih muda ya.
Ya,
Are your parents elderly? Not really, they're middle age. Kalaupun misalkan ada pertanyaan yang aneh, are your parents young? Kalau mau ya jangan younger. Kalau mau younger than, pakai than, perbandingannya ada. Gitu.
Aku still young, Miss. Still young.
Kalau
young. Are your parents?
Miss, kalau yang doang benar, Miss, kayak are your parents young?
Boleh, bisa. Secara gramatikal bisa. Yang tapi kan kalau nanyain orang tua ke anaknya, apakah orang tuanya muda, pasti tua sih. Jadi jarang-jarang digunakan pertanyaan itu secara konteks tidak tepat gitu.
Betul.
Tapi secara gramatikal itu benar gitu. Are your parents kalau mau younger than my parents, misalkan gitu ya, ada perbandingan boleh. Kalau yang tadi younger harus ada perbandingannya.
Miss, maaf, ini jadinya betul atau salah dihitungnya?
Tadi pakai younger, pakai er kan, jadi salah. Karena younger. Kalau young boleh. Karena itu hanya salah konteksnya saja.
Miss, Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Ya.
Ini ada yang nggak bisa masuk dikarenakan sakit, Bu.
Siapa?
Muhammad Dewiki.
Dwiki, oke, nanti
katanya.
Kalau sudah baikan.
Harus banyak istirahat katanya.
Oke, asal laporan ya. Nanti Miss masukkan absensi tetap. Tapi nanti nontonnya menyusul karena ini direkam ya. I recorded this. Ya, oke.
Ya, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Ya. Kasih tahu aja kalau misalkan
Miss, maaf.
nonton. Ya. Pardon? Kenapa?
Pak, maaf, Miss, kalau misalnya already age gitu gimana?
I already age?
Ya.
Enggak. Jarang, enggak dipakai.
Oke, Miss.
Terus
ya,
sekarang,
Miss, yang nomor 2 kan harusnya blonde, tapi Mati jawabnya brown, masih bisa.
Boleh. Kalau itu cuma warnanya aja.
Miss, kalau yang memakai has gimana?
Gimana? Yang mana? Is?
Yang tadi Rita.
Salah.
Pakai has berarti salah ya?
Sekarang yang nomor 5 ya. Coba Enggar.
Is that his sister? Yes, she is very pretty.
Masa, is that your sister? Yes, she is. Paling jawabannya gitu. Is that your sister? Itu cuman memastikan apakah itu adikmu? Ya, dia, iya gitu kan. Gitu. Kalau gini yang ditanyain apa? Is his sister pretty?
She, Miss.
Nah, jadi pertanyaannya ada is his sister beautiful gitu.
Okay.
Jadi nanyain tentang cantik tidaknya gitu kan. Is his sister beautiful? Yes, she's very pretty. Boleh beautiful, boleh pretty, boleh. Is his sister pretty? Yes, she's very pretty. Gitu. Itu jadi nanya cantik tidaknya doang, bukan nanya apakah itu adiknya. Nah, kalau is that his sister? Yes, she is.
Kalau
Jawabannya gitu. Ya. Halo?
iya Miss, kalau Novi jawabannya is his sister berarti nggak kurang lengkap ya Miss ya?
Iya, karena jawabannya
Oke Miss.
Tidak. Kalau jawabannya yes, she is, ya pertanyaannya yang barusan. Sekarang
Oke Miss,
Sophie.
thank you.
Ya, Sophie. Number 6, Sophie.
Ya, Miss. Bentar.
Oh, I thought that it is a girl. Yeah, please, Sophie.
Why did she change? Why did she change Sarah Satin? She's very ill.
Why did she change? Sotinnya mana? Kan udah ada di sini sotinnya. Why is Sarah so thin? Ya. Why
Ya, Miss.
is Sarah so thin? She's very ill. Itu ya.
Oh, Miss bukan. Kalau misalkan why was, bisa gak, Miss? Why was Sarah so thin?
Nah. Ini sisnya, ini jawabannya itu karena ini S ya, nggak tahu was atau nggak tahu is, boleh lah. Tapi itu untuk lampau ya, untuk kemarin gitu. Untuk yang lalu, boleh.
Miss?
Ya, kenapa?
Miss.
Novi Miss. Novi tuh kebalik. Harusnya kan Novi tuh apa ngisinya? Why Sarah is so thin? Berarti isnya salah tempat ya Miss ya?
Ya, salah tempat.
Oke Miss.
Tapi itu kesalahan yang sering dilakukan sebenarnya ya. Memang native speaker mostly kadang seperti itu. Boleh. Tapi kalau di sini kan kita sedang belajar, jadi tetap aja salah ya. Tapi mostly sih
Oke,
common mistake gitu, common mistake.
Oke, Miss.
Jadi itu benarnya tuh gini. Why Sarah is so thin? Hanya untuk memastikan gitu. Why? Apa? Kalau gini kan why is Sarah so thin? Why Sarah is so thin? Beda fungsi. Oke. Kita lanjut ke yang ini ya. Banyak common mistake sih ya dalam bahasa Inggris. Seringnya yang tadi sih sebenarnya. Tapi kita berdasarkan ini aja. Grammatical yang baku aja. Davita.
Miss.
Ya.
Kalau why Sarah look so thin?
Tetap harus pakai isi secara grammar.
Iya, Miss, baik.
Ya, sekarang Davita. Number 1. Ya, number 1.
Yang your brother sama Wade itu, Miss.
Ya.
how much your brother weight?
Hi. Hi,
Hi.
bukan wait. Hi. How? Hi-nya itu kan kalau dalam tinggi badan diganti jadi tall.
Tall.
Berarti pertanyaannya how
tall is your brother?
How tall is your how tall is your brother? Ya, sekarang yang kedua. Dini.
Ya, Miss.
Ya. Silahkan yang kedua.
Your teacher like gitu, Miss.
Ya. What? Pakai what? What does your teacher look like? Nggak pakai S ya look-nya. What? Karena sudah
What is your teacher look like?
What does your teacher look like? Ya. Kan ini verb. Kan ini verbnya look. Kalau look itu kan bukan is, tapi ke do, did, ya, ke do, does, did, gitu kan. Kalau look itu kan verb, bukan to be. Nah, berarti, what does your teacher look like? Nah, sekarang Abil. Ya, silahkan yang bertanya.
Kalau misalkan, what color is your teacher hair, bisa nggak, Miss?
Kan ini look. Yang ini, nggak bukan tentang rambut.
Oh, iya, Miss. Baik, Miss.
Oke, sekarang. Tadi siapa, Miss? Tanya, lupa lagi.
Abil, Miss.
Ya, Abil. Harus. Ya, Bill. Number 3. Suaranya, Bill. Speakernya di-unmute.
Number 3, Miss.
Ya.
How is your weight?
How?
How is your weight?
How is your weight? Kan ya? Oke. Karena ini weight, itu how much do you weigh? Ya. How much do you weigh?
How much do you weigh?
Atau bisa juga, how heavy are you? How much do you weigh? Or how heavy are you?
Kalau how heavy you are gimana, Miss?
How heavy you are mal bukan pertanyaan, tapi kayak, oh hey, how heavy you are. Kayak yang, wah kamu tuh berat sekali, bukan nanya. Gitu.
Pernyataan.
Nah, pernyataan, how heavy you are.
Oke, Miss.
Oke, how heavy are you itu nanya. Oke, sekarang number 4. Asfi.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, please.
Number 4. How old is your mother?
Ya, how old is your mother? Ya. How old is your mother? Nanyain umur. Davita, udah belum tadi? Davita, udah ya? Tapi tadi itu yang nggak ada ya? Davita, are you there?
tadi nomor 1.
Oke. Bentar. Risma. Halo Risma. Silahkan di unmute, please unmute the speaker. Risma, where are you? Ya. Silahkan Risma. Yang tadi ya, mirip ya sama yang tadi yang udah.
Nomor 1.
Silahkan dibaca. How?
How tall is your sister?
Okay, yeah. Now, Bayu. Bayu.
Yes, Miss.
Please, now number 6.
How does your parents looks like?
Your parents. Ingat, your parents itu boleh. How do your parents look like? How do atau what do your parents look like?
Oh ya,
what ya? What do your parents? Ya.
Miss.
Boleh, kalau how juga boleh. Tapi jangan pakai does ya, do ya. How does bisa. How
Miss, kalau misalkan
how atau what boleh. Kenapa?
Miss, kalau misalkan why are your parents so good looking? Bisa nggak, Miss?
Enggak, karena itu yang ditanyakan alasan ya. Enggak.
Oh ya, Miss.
Belum ke sana.
Oh, Miss, kalau pakai das berarti salah, Miss.
Karena kan ini enggak do harusnya karena jamak kan. Ini your parents itu.
Miss, kalau nggak pakai what,
salah. Tapi banyak yang bilang how. How do your parents look like?
Kalau nggak pakai what, Miss?
Pakai apa?
Kalau nggak pakai what? Kalau nggak pakai what?
Masa do your parents look like? Enggak, salah.
Jadi, oh iya.
Kan look like-nya itu seperti apa, kan? Harus ditanyakan. Harus ada what-nya, ya.
Miss, kalau misalnya what do you looking like?
Secara gramatikal salah.
Oh, baik, Miss.
How are your parents look like?
How are. Kalau are nggak mungkin are, karena itu kan look. Look itu verb, harusnya pakai do. Salah.
What is your parent looks like?
What is juga to be, harusnya do.
Maaf.
Salah. Ya.
Miss, tadi Risma. Miss.
Ya.
Halo.
Ya. Kenapa?
Miss, tadi Risma nomor berapa ya? Tadi lupa. Halo, Miss.
Wah, Risma tuh nomor... Nah, kenapa gitu? Kenapa Risma? Miss nggak dicatat, hanya nyatet nama-namanya aja.
Halo.
Tadi
Ya.
Teh Risma itu nomor 5, Miss.
Gimana? Risma? Halo? Halo?
Sinyalnya jelek mungkin, Miss.
Oke, kita lanjut aja ya. Jangan lupa itu what does atau what do ya. Ya, sekarang over to you. Ini berdasarkan kalian kemana gitu mengacunya. Write down the names of 3 people you know, then write about their eyes, their hair, their looks. Ya. Coba kita siapa ya? Yang familiar deh sama kita. Yang kalian familiar sih artisnya siapa? Jennie Blackpink.
Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber. Oke, silahkan. Gimana Justin Bieber? Hey-nya? Hai.
Justin Bieber is so handsome.
Enggak, yang ini kan. Ada ininya nih.
Oh, yang tall. Ya.
Hai.
Justin Bieber is tall.
Yeah, he's tall with blonde hair. Yeah, Justin Bieber is tall with blonde hair.
Yes.
Kalau ada warna and eyes, the eyes is atau he has blue eyes. Brown atau blue? Justin tuh nggak tahu.
Brown eyes.
Brown eyes. Oke. Lalu apa lagi?
Brown eyes.
Brown eyes. Oke.
Miss.
He is handsome. Yang ini yang terakhir.
He is brown. Yes, handsome.
Oke, ya seperti itu. Kalian terserah itu mengacunya ke siapa.
Miss, maaf, Miss.
Pastikan kalau diisi, ya. Kenapa?
Mau sholat Jumat, Miss, belum mandi juga.
Oh, iya. Oke, jam 11. Sekarang juga udah beres, dah. Oke, kelas, sudah beres ya. Jadi, untuk sekarang, silahkan aja diisi, kalian pelajari sendiri. Jadi, tidak dinilai ya untuk berapa salahnya, benarnya, tidak usah.
Alhamdulillah.
Nah, ini latihannya akan ada di Google Classroom, nanti Miss share ya linknya. Ya. Thank you so much, kelas. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much.